Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video you will learn how to set power button to end calls in your phone Moto G04. To end calls you can use this power button. Okay, for that what you have to do is go to settings of your phone here, then go to accessibility and then go to system controls here, and here click on power button ends call. Just turn on this button. Now make a call. I make a call from another number and I answer this call. Conversation is going on now. If you want to cut the call, usually you will use this soft key. Okay, but instead of this soft key, now you can use this power button to end the calls. Okay, just one press this power button and a phone will be cut. So in this way you can easily make sure that your phone is cut. Sometimes if you may miss to click on soft key. Okay, touch on soft key. So instead of soft key, just you can one press this power button, so call will be cut. So in this way you can easily set power button to end the calls to your phone Moto G04. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.